What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. It's so good to see you guys again. Today we're gonna be going over my entire mod list on the car, basically a full walk around of everything that I've done to it since I pretty much got the car. I did this video when I first started YouTube. It's my very first video ever, but a lot has changed since then. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description. Make sure you check that one out. I'm also going to be doing a day-to-day video, basically kind of what I do on the daily without the big car me or racing or any of that. Just kind of like what I do on a normal day when I'm off of work. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't yet, make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe. It helps me out so much. I put so much work into this YouTube channel. Alright guys, so usually how I start my morning is usually by going on YouTube. Right now I was watching a video. I kind of just go over what's on here, check my video, see how everything's doing. My last video is doing insanely good. It has pretty much 948 views within a day. It's the most views I've ever gotten on a video in a single day. Beautiful day out today. Let's get this whole started. Yeah. Putting gas. Putting in 85. Came down.
I wish I was on a real island.
Came down to Islands. I love the burgers here. Super good. Oh my gosh, I am so full. That was so good. What did you think? Fire. Yeah, it was super dank. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to drive right now. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of the Smoke Box. Nah, I'm just kidding. Just so you guys know, I hang out with a lot of pot smokers. I currently do not smoke marijuana. I just never really got into it. It's not really my thing right now, cause I'm already kind of like down. Like I'm already kind of like naturally lazy. So like if I were to smoke, I would literally just go to sleep.
Shout out to the homie Brett though. Got that fire.
Oh, that's that shit?
Yeah, it's that wedding cake.
Let me see.
I didn't bring my whole fucking jar. Just brought a dang tank.
Check it out, check it out.
Yeah, it is. Put it in the cookies grinder. Nice bowl of salad there. Gotta get my greens in for the day. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin THC.
There's any like automotive YouTuber that will put some shit like this in there. I've always been like fascinated by like the Wiz Khalifa day-to-days, and they've always, I think he's the only vlog that I've seen where they just have like a crap load of like weed out everywhere.
Yeah,
like everywhere.
And it's so normal, cause like
yeah,
it's normal for us because that's how we smoke. Like it's just.
But it's so, yeah, like they were all like, that's the first vlog ever I think that was like out there about it.
Wiz definitely gave us like a face that is acceptable to society, and that like, okay, you're a stoner but you can still make it. Like look at Wiz. Like,
yeah.
You know what I mean? Like everybody else before that, like, oh, fucking pot smokers, fucking lazy, fucking, you know, they don't do shit.
Yeah.
Even when Be Real was big, like they still thought, like they looked down upon it, but we were on that mentality of Wiz already. Like we're like, you know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah.
Society wasn't catching up yet.
Looking for a dope song. Oh!
Yeah, I'm coming out with Hustle 365. Something I've been working on for a while.
What does Hustle 365 mean?
Some mentality, a grind, Hustle 365. Whatever your passion is, what you're motivated to do, like your vlogging and whatnot. Don't skip a day out on it. Do that shit 365 every day. Don't let anybody else tell you that you can't. No doubters. Hustle 365 is like everybody can feel connected to it because everybody's on their hustle. So you could wear it, and you could still feel part of it. You know, you feel like I could rock this.
Yeah.
I'm about my hustle.
Guys, we are gonna be partnering on that together. We'll have some merch coming out soon for you guys. Make sure you're gonna cop that.
I got the sample sweatshirts coming in, the hoodies coming in this week.
So we went ahead and stopped by a park so that we could take some pictures, and I'm gonna go ahead and go over all the mods I have in the car and pretty much the full walkthrough of my entire setup. Okay, to start off, I have Edmund Intakes. I really like these. They're 3-inch. There's 2 brands you could go with on 3-inch now, but I just went ahead and got Edmund because Edmund's the homie. And I also have these PCV deletes, but I need to get an oil catch can because of the Nitrous setup. Sometimes this oil cap goes flying up in the air because of all the pressure. So I need to get an oil catch can. 2015 Nismo headlights. They didn't come in this car. So the reason I got the 2015 Nismo headlights were because they're OEM blacked out with the silver little round thing. And I didn't want to open headlights because I hate how they look after time. They get all hazy and stuff and they look kind of gross. And then of course I also have a first gen Nismo bumper that I completely destroyed yesterday. I was at the gas station and I ran over like those little where they fill up to put more gasoline, and it hit that and it cracked. I also have RPF ones, and then these are on the Continental Extreme Contact 265 4018 RPF 1, super bright chrome. I freaking love these wheels a lot. They look super good. I don't think I would go with any other wheel. I think these are the wheels that I'm gonna stick with. And then in the rear, RPF ones as well. These are 18 by 10.5 plus 15. The fronts are 18 by 9.5 plus 15. These are on NT555Rs, Nitto 305 35 18s. They hook really freaking good. I mean, I've nothing but abused these tires for a couple months now, and I still hook. They're really nice tires. I definitely recommend these. If you really need the grip, these will definitely hold it. Oh, and then I also went ahead, this is the OEM bumper, but I went ahead and cut it and painted it black so that it gives it like this kind of like cut look from like the 350Zs that I like. I really like how it turned out. It's a really good mod. I definitely do recommend it. For exhaust, I have a ISR resonated test pipes, ISR white pipe, and ISR single exit. I really like the way it sounds. It sounds really good. It's loud, but it's not like overwhelming loud. Smells like E85. Yum. Good power gain. Think I gained like 15 horsepower from it. I definitely do recommend it. And then for my clutch, I'm using a Jim Wolf heavy duty clutch. It's been really good. It's just really loud. That's the only thing I don't really like about it. But yeah, the rattle. The rattle's like super loud. It shakes a lot, but it does hold the power. I think it's good for about 500 torque, 500 horsepower, and I'm about 100 below that right now, so it should hold up. Besides that, it feels really nice. I like a stiff clutch. I like the stiff feel. So right now it's holding up really good. And then I am also tuned, of course. I am tuned on E85. My fuel system is going to be GTR injectors, and I have an AEM 250 fuel pump. and that's pretty much all you really need to go E85. It holds up really well. I'm tuned by Edmund. He's a great tuner. And then obviously I am on Nitrous, my favorite mod by far. It's a lot of fun to be on Nitrous. A lot of work went into this. Shout out to Robert who did the install. With the Nitrous setup, I have a automatic bottle heater. That's the sensor right there. I also have a purge kit. That's what these lines are for over here, so the Nitrous gets purge. And these black things right here, there's another one right under that. That is the solenoids. One of them goes for fuel. We did have to tap the fuel right here. This is where you get fuel from, and then the Nitrous obviously comes from the bottle, and they go through those solenoids right there. And then you could also see where we tapped the Nitrous through the intakes. Here, maybe you can see it better right there. It's that blue and red thing. That's blue is for nitrous, red is for fuel, and that goes through there into the manifold, and then that's what makes you go fast. Interior, the mods, you can't really see them, they're kind of hidden. This button up here is for the purge kit, which is currently not working. There's some sort of shortage on it right now. Here, let me turn on the light. Oh shit, doesn't really do shit. This right here activates the Nitrous. You just click that. This is my buck little setup. My other button broke, so I kind of had to like make it work kind of deal. That's why I kind of. But then this is the bottle heater. So every time I flick this up, it's gonna start heating up my bottle. You could even hear it turn on in the back. Makes like a little switch noise. So you just turn this on. Also, when you turn this switch on, I also have a wide open throttle switch. So basically what this does is keep me pretty much Nitrous safe for me. So this will turn off it'll turn off my Nitrous right before red line, and it'll turn it on at the set RPM that I put it to, which is 3500 RPM. And then it only turns on at wide open throttle. So like if I go wide open throttle, I won't show you right now. But yeah, basically at wide open throttle, it'll activate as long as it's paired with the RPM. If you're going on Nitrous, you really need a wide open throttle switch and RPM switch. You also need a bottle heater, and you also need, I mean, it's really much all you need right there, but you can start off with that. But I do recommend like an automatic opener, purge kit, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and my favorite mod for sure is gonna be this Mishimoto shift knob that my homie gave me for free. Good looking, bro. This thing is hella clutch. That is the driver mod right there. Dude, what? Just stick it in, dog. You're gonna be on the vlog. Damn, perro. Oh, okay. Pretty much want to do this. You can pick it up and go. So after the gym, we came to downtown. I didn't really record much. Just watching people get fucked up. Taco shop. Yeah. It's about to be good. This vlog is probably crazy. It's probably like all over the place. It was a good time. Now we about to fucking munch. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised, boy. I'm still going. Guys, if you don't subscribe after this video, I don't blame you. This video's fucked up.
I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I light won't stop. No, 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 no,